Hey guys, you are watching this video probably because you got the gratitude oil from Beta Essence, and I'm going to be working with my husband in making a lot of wonderful videos to help guide you as you begin this journey of gratitude and just talking about important points that we can keep in mind, that you can think about while you're doing your Marma point massages. The goal of Veda Sense is to make sure that your mind and your body are prepared, energy can flow freely. The beauty of using Veda Sense is not just to stimulate your hair growth or to maximize your hair and skin health, but it's to really put your mind and your spirit at peace and to help the energy flow freely through your body so that you can be in a state of mind that is positive, optimistic, a state of mind that is grateful. And that's why in this video I'm going to give the very first gratitude presentation, just a few thoughts that you can keep in mind as you apply these oils, as you do your massages, and as you embark on this journey of healthy hair and skin. Now, this is a very wonderful time to be alive. We live in a time where our opportunities are endless. And while there are so many things that go wrong in the world, there are so many things that are going right too. Teachers who are teaching our children, marriages that are peaceful and successful, parents who sacrifice so much for their kids, wonderful friendships that are cultivated that help to support and inspire. We can lift ourselves up and others as well when we refuse to give in to negativity. And in order to do that, we have to cultivate in our hearts a spirit of gratitude. So just think, if being ungrateful is known as one of the worst sins possible, think of how noble and true gratitude would be counted as. And we can find ways to be grateful no matter what our circumstances are. Oftentimes, the focus of our gratitude is on material possessions and things, but try to cultivate your mind to not be grateful for things, but to be grateful for the situation that you're in, for the circumstances that you've been given. Having a spirit of gratitude makes way for happiness to flood into your body. And as soon as you start experiencing that happiness that comes from being grateful, you'll be rushed with memories of blessings or gifts that you've received previously, and memories of those blessings will flood into your mind, making your heart more willing to be grateful for all of the things that you have in your life, for the people who love you, for the friendships and relationships that you have, for the car or the bicycle or the feet that get you to work, for the strangers that give you smiles, for making it through difficult situations and making it through. I remember my oldest daughter, when she was 2, was saying a prayer, and her prayer was, thank you for the trees, thank you for the grass, thank you for the sun, thank you for the animals. And it was very sweet to see that such a small child who hasn't experienced life can think of things like that to show thanks for. And we can do the same thing. Look outside your window. Be grateful for the trees, for the roads, for all the things around us that we have, and happiness will come. I'm so excited for you to start using the gratitude oil. I know that it's gonna help not only your hair health, but it's gonna help your heart, it's gonna help your happiness. It's gonna help you feel very good if you can focus on things to be grateful for while you apply this. If you haven't already, please see my video on how to apply the oils by using different pressure or Marma points on the body, and let me know if you have any questions. Take care.